Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today another one of the locks from Randy Perkins, and this is a Russwin. So I've never picked a Russwin before, don't know what to expect. Fitting's not too bad, nothing special. It does look like a 6-pinner, so quite a nice wide open keyway. So we shall give it a go and see how we get on. So plenty of room in there, so even going from the bottom I can use a decent size hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, click on 5, nothing on 6, solid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, we got a little click, 3, 4, and we opened. Right, I wasn't expecting that. I didn't really feel like I'd set that many of the pins, but let's have a look inside. So let's get the camera moved. Yes, it actually felt like I was just struggling to get onto some of the pins and get them to actually move, but right. One clip and the back piece. Spin that round to around about there, looking good. Oh, sorry, let's get the follower in there. And we definitely have 6 pins, but well, 6 didn't need picking, which is why I didn't get anything out of that. Oh. And by the looks of it, I would say that was the driver pin for number 1. Or looking like we've probably got Wafers in here, because that's on number 2. That's on number 4. And that was on number 6. And then those are the key pins. So let's dump these out. Those are all standard. These are probably Wafers. Let's just see what we've got up here. Right, 1, 2, 3, and there was another wafer in there. 4. Let's just get from the back so we can see properly. 6 was just a short pin because there's nothing in there, so that didn't even need picking. 6 standard springs all the way through. Right, bit disappointing, especially as most of those hardly needed anything compared with seeing the bitting. What I'm going to do, give me a few minutes, I'll turn the camera off. I'm going to repin this differently, get rid of those wafers and give it another go. I'll be back in a minute. Right, well here we are back again. Same key, same lock, works really smoothly. This has actually got quite nice tight tolerances in it. So let's give this a go and see what it's like to pick now. So 1, 2, 3, we've got a click, couple of clicks, 4, nothing really, 5, click on 5, 6, 1, 2. So this has got all the, that was 3 again. Another click. This has got all the original key pins in it, and all I did was put some commercial security pins in the top. That was 4, 5, 6. We're getting a bit of counter rotation there. 1, nothing, 2, nothing. 'Think something got overset. I eased off the tension a bit and let something drop back down. That's 3 again. Right, 3, and we've got a very slight, tiny kick on the core. 4, solid. 5, 6. Right, 1's binding now. Got a tiny little click and that was it. 2. Got a little click, a very tiny little movement on the core. 1 again. A nice click out of 1 and another one. 2, 1, 2, 3's dropped. So can't get anything out of 3, 4, 5 or 6. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Let's try a slightly shallower hook, give me a better angle on those. 6, 5, 4. Right, that was 2. Definitely a bit more challenging now anyway. 6, 5, 4. That all seem okay. There was 1, 2, and trying to get onto 3. Nothing on 3, that's solid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right, I've got a big click out of 4 there, I think. One again. Now I have to use very light tension on here. 2. For security pins, it's giving very little feedback other than clicks. But like I say, it does seem the tolerances in here are very good. I don't know if they normally have them, as this is the first one I've picked. There we go, 1. So let's just quickly whip this apart and you can see what I've put inside. And then this will be winging its way onto somebody else to have a play with. So let's get the clip off. Which doesn't want to play ball this time for some reason. There we go. Slip the key back in and follow up. So there's all the key pins. I'll leave those in for the minute because you've already seen those. But what we'll do is stick it at the back there. And then in here we have a spool. I'll stick them into the top of here so you can actually see what they look like when they're in. Then we've got another spool. Then we have serrated. And another spool, and another one, and another one. So all the springs are the same as before, but as you can now see, we have spools in every chamber apart from 3, which is serrated, and they all need picking. And the spools come into play. The spools, if I grab one out, because of the length of these, do feel different to normal spools. If I can get one in my hand here, because they are offset, so they had a bit of fun as well. Anyway, this will be going off to somebody else to have a play with. Now it's a bit more fun. So thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.